Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with shell scripting tutorial for a DevOps engineer, and in previous video we have seen why we need shell script and what things we can do using shell script. Okay, and in this video we are going to see introduction to shell script. Okay, and we are also going to see getting started with bash and bash script structure. In this video we will be covering all. So introduction to shell script. Shell script is the art of writing a script, okay, that run a command line in shell. So you can write your shell script and you can run it using in your terminal. Okay, in DevOps world they usually mean using bash born again shell. This is the default shell on most of the Linux system. Shell scripts are used for various purposes such as automating repetitive tasks, configuring servers, and managing deployments. Okay. So getting started with bash. Before diving into the scripting, make sure you have basic understanding of bash. You can start opening a Linux terminal and trying to out simple command like ls, pwd and echo. So let me open one terminal here, okay, and do ls here. So whatever file we have in that specific directory, we can see it here, right? And we can run our command like pwd to see the present working directory. So you can see my present directory is home/bpin, okay, and we can run echo as well. So it's not saying echo. If we date, it will show the date, whatever date is currently, and the time as well. So you can see Monday for December 2023 and 10:50 AM IST. Okay, so you can see these all are the command which we will be using in shell script, okay, to automate certain kind of task. So let's go ahead. So basic of shell structure, okay, so basic script structure. So a bash script typically start with 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗣𝗥, that is known as this. We have to write like this. So this is known as 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗣𝗥. We have to write hash, then exclamation mark, then /bin/bash. Okay, 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗣𝗥 that interpreted to use how here is a simple script. Okay, so we have this. So let's run it. Let's create one file here. Okay, let me create one file, a script. Okay, touch script dot sh. Okay, do vi script dot sh. So we can write here script we can write our script here. So first what we need to write, we have to write x, we have to press I, then we have to write hash, then we have to write exclamation mark, then we have to use /bin, then / then bash. Okay, so this is known as 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗣𝗥 in bash script. Okay, so we are going to write this is a comment. Okay, and we are going to write echo hello world. So this is a comment. So we can use hash, and that will be going to comment it. And if we are commenting anything in like shell script, then that specific line is not going to get executed. Okay, so whenever we are going to run our script, so this one is also commented, this shebang. Okay, this shebang, what it does actually, it tell the system, okay, this is the bash script, you have to execute these things. Okay, so that's why we use shebang in our shell script. Now what we have to do, let's save it. How you can save it? You have to press escape, then colon, then W, then Q. Okay, that got saved. Okay, now what we have to do, how we can run it, our shell script, chmod 777, okay, script dot sh. I have changed the permission here. I have given read, write, execute for all user group. Okay, user group and owner. I have given all the permission to all the users. If you don't know how to give, how to change the file permission, then you can check out my Linux tutorial video. Okay, I have discussed there everything about file permission handling. So now we have to run this script. So we will be using dot and / script dot sh. So as you can see, we got output like hello world. Okay, so whatever we have written in this, we got output. So this is the way how we can write our shell script, and how we can give the specific permission to that file owner. Okay, owner, group and user. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to assist you on that. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.